With the rise of content creation being at an all-time high, there has been a significant increase in creators wanting to get more involved with online content development and creation and use it as a way to make money online. While there are many ways in which you can do so, still the easiest way to get involved with learning how to make your first piece of income online would be through affiliate marketing. But many times the struggle that beginners face is trying to figure out where exactly they can get products from to promote. What are the best websites? Where are the best places to use? And what are the best type of products that you should promote to your audience? Because the one mistake that every affiliate marketer makes, we have all done it, is that we have a tendency to promote something that will return the biggest or largest amount of income possible without any real regard for the person or the consumer that's buying it. So what we have to get our head round and change our mentality with is finding products that are going to be suitable to people that are looking to solve problems. So if you can find something that primarily will solve someone's problem a lot faster, that will build trust. So where do you find these products is the big question. Well, like I said, there are a load of different varieties of places that you can look to online. But one of the simplest solutions that you can also look at would be to look on the Appsumo website, which you can find over at appsumo.com. And inside, they have a plethora of different products available, all ranging from beginner to medium and advanced, and many of them have lifetime sales. Even as recording this video, the platform is constantly running different promotions all the time, where you can gain lifetime access to new and upcoming products that are being tested or that have been around for a while, and anything that can be used to help those in need, which consists of a variety of different areas that can help you build your online business, or even just to guide people on their journey. Anything from financial, bookkeeping software, to email marketing, to website builders, online course platforms, social media integrations, ebooks, analytical software, community builders, landing page builders. Like, when we think of it in the grand scheme of things, like, Appsumo is the one-stop shop to have everything that you could possibly ever hope for. And the majority of findings that you will discover are all at a relatively affordable price that won't break the bank with regards to getting you set up. Plus, you also have the advantage of not only buying some of these products yourself to test them out, but that will be a good avenue to promote a certain product, because you can also become an affiliate on the platform. So you could literally go in, buy a product cheap enough at a lifetime deal, then you could test out that product, record content for it, or take screenshots, either put it up on a video on YouTube or create a blog article reviewing the product, so you can demonstrate exactly how it works. And that will make a lot of sense for people looking to interact with a specific type of product, because if they see something on here, the chances are they might go onto Google or onto YouTube to try and find an article or to try and find a video around a specific piece of software or content creation tool that they may be thinking of using. So if you've already figured out a way of how to understand the platform or product and you've put it up on your social media page, and if they see it, then they're more likely to come back and buy from you rather than anywhere else. So this is just another way to build trust. So aside from building out a catalogue of products that you can promote on the platform, you do also have access to some limited free elements that are add-ons to either different courses or different pieces of software. Some of them will require paid upgrades onto the Appsumo platform itself with Appsumo Plus that you will need to pay either a monthly or a yearly fee in order to gain access to. But there are other ones there that aren't part of the upgrade package that you can still use, and you can test them out and you can go through the process to see what works and what doesn't. There literally is anything here that you can possibly think of, and especially if your goal is to help others like myself with the aim of creating a business online through affiliate marketing. I genuinely think that this is one of the best platforms out there that will help you on your journey, especially in the beginning. While you might have to pay a little upfront investment in order to gain access to some of these tools inside, but you can learn these tools. You might even be able to implement them into your own business processes also, but then you can use the experience that you gain from using these tools again to teach others, which you can then promote. So you can gain certain commissions based off of the sales on the platform. And going back to what I mentioned at the start of the video, by paying a small fee here, it's better than going onto the official business website and paying hundreds if not thousands of dollars for the same piece of software. So this here is allowing you to get it at a cut of the price. But it really just depends on you. If you're looking for something more specific, the chances are you'll find it here. Or whatever it is that you're looking to promote or even just use. If you're looking to just build your own business using various sets of tools and nothing else, then you'll find something that'll be useful here. But if you also want to find products and services to promote also, there's a very good chance you will find what you're looking for. But just bear in mind, like I mentioned, only promote products and services that are genuinely going to be of interest to your followers, that are going to help them solve problems. Because once you do that, you will build trust and authenticity, and you will also build up enough rapport with your viewers and followers that there's a very good chance that they will come back and purchase from you again. So that's just something to bear in mind. But I would definitely recommend that you go and check Appsumo out and see what products and services that are there that you could genuinely use. You definitely will find something that will be of benefit to you in the future. So if you have found this video to be useful and you'd like to see other content around other useful tips around affiliate marketing and how you can use it to generate an income online, then you can leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and you can also check out the video here on screen that will provide even more tips and helpful guides to teach you other ways of how you can generate an income online.